Hello, my name is Hendricks. I'm with Global Value Web. We are a value chain enabling company, and we are here at a lab event near Milan at the Lake Maggiore. Beautiful location. We are talking to many lab people in various industries, predominantly life sciences and food and what have you. What are we doing here? We are one of the few companies that doesn't sell technology. We actually help those life sciences companies to run their laboratories better and easier. We are here to make the life of the lab analyst easier as such. With the increase of technologies, there's a massive increase of data, so there's so much work that needs to be done. And for a lab to perform, to really excel, all that data that needs to be organized. We do that as a service. So we do laboratory master data services, we do laboratory quality management, we do analytics across the value chain, but also in the quality area. It even goes beyond that. We get into the scientific writing and the pharmacopoeia assessments, but today we are predominantly focusing on the laboratory master data and the laboratory quality areas. The way we do that is how do we bring value? It's basically to continue services that we do, and with that we help the lab analyst. We bring speed and efficiency, we bring quality to the quality lab, we reduce the non-conformities that all the people are facing in the lab. We are increasing the compliance to regulatory rules, but also in-house rules and what have you. And we do that at an affordable price. Because price has hindered many companies to put the right data in their systems and actually get an ROI on their technology. So working with Global Value Web, what it brings is a much better ROI on your technology investment. It gets much better performance from your laboratories as such. It brings ease and calmness. And especially for large companies that have laboratories around the world, we bring standardization and harmonization as well, and thus increasing the overall value. Quality is an integral part of any global value chain. So the way to look at it is as a value chain, how does the product move through your companies as such and to your patient ultimately? We focus on the data and we drive operational efficiencies. We do this mostly through remote and some on-site managed services, but mostly remote, in a very global collaborative way. Again, we also have a standard sales, onboarding and service approach. So execution driven, no consulting, no technology, but making your lab people work better with data, and we take care of a big element of that. I want to move to another slide here quickly, because it shows there's a lot of focus here on people wanting to bring technology, but what we really want to look at is people, data, process, and yes, there's technology. We'll take care of the people, data, and process part. You have your people focusing on the core, which is doing the test and what have you. You have us doing all the other lab enabling things you can think about, going back again to the laboratory master data and all kinds of other things in that area. And with that, in a nutshell, that is what Global Value Web is doing here in Baveno, Italy.